Hello, today I'm going to show you what is under my wig. It's morning time, so I just got up and then I'll wash my hair and I'll show you all the wonderful stuff, okay? So let's go. Oh, yeah, this is a wig. Looking like a little boy. All right, so let's transform this, okay? Close up before the transformation. So I had my hair like this, and that's my new growth. It's pretty. All right, so this is after 12 hours of, I was able to pull it out. This is what it looked like out. It kind of shrink up because I didn't pull it out before I have it out. So yeah. So it look. So it look. Anyways, I'm gonna wash it now. Show you how it look after I wash it. I might put it in some bantu nuts, Chinese bump, until tomorrow. Me straighten it because I like straighten it. Only once per year me get fi clip my ends, like how I want clip them, and me straighten it but clip my ends. And only once per year I actually put heat in my hair. So yeah, you see that? So my ears stay easy for that up, and me a believe all of this I just dead here. So I need to wash it and comb it out and so you can see it. But yeah, they made us dead here from the braid. I'm gonna do, hold on, let me see if we can find it for you. I'm gonna do one, where is it? So I do a clay treatment. This is bentonite clay. I do that clay treatment here every time I pull out my ear in this format. Like I'm gonna pull it out fully. I do that clay treatment here. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for hydration and just to strip it from all of the chemicals and dirt. But in them, I don't really use a lot of chemical in my hair. I use head and shoulder. One day become I think I see me get dry scalp. So I'm gonna use some head and shoulder to make sure I'm not have none. But I think it gone. Or it never exists. So anyways, I'm gonna wash it and put in a clay treatment. I might show you how it look while the clay treatment in there. And then yeah. Straighten it and clip it so you see it. So yesterday I washed it and then I put it in. These are the bumps. These are the shiny bumps and bantu knots. In Jamaica we call it shiny bumps. So I did that, and now I am going to straighten it so I can clip the ends, right? So I would love to show you how I straighten my hair, but I don't do it like you fancy people go in front of a mirror and like use the thing and that. I don't do that. I actually straighten it like here in my bed. All right, so maybe I can show you how I straighten out part of it, but yeah. All right, I'll do the first straightening for you. All right, so a lot of people ask me, what do you use in your hair? How do you get it to grow? I think it just grow. It will grow regardless. It's about maintaining your growth. Sorry, it's about retaining your growth, maintaining your length. So for detangling, I use this. Sorry again. Aunt Jackie's curls and coils. This is their moisturizing cream. It's moisturizing and softening conditioner. It's very good. I use it when my hair gets dry and I want it to feel moist. I just use it again to get it moist, and then I use it to comb it out. If you ask me what do I use to for oil, like what kind of oil I have in my ear, I don't want to show you the label because the label has nothing to do with what is in the bottle, but it's this castor oil straight from Jamaica. The back layer costs like maybe a couple $1,000, like $2,000, $3,000. And I use that in it to oil it, right? And that's all I use. Other than that, when I'm going to straighten my hair, I use this heat protection spray. I've been using this for years, so I still use it for heat protection. And that's it. I spray a little bit just to ensure that it's okay, and then I just go from there. So I don't really do anything, you know, huge. So I'm gonna straighten it now, but I don't want it to burn me. It normally does. My skin is very sensitive, so I'll do that. I already combed it out because it's like easily tangled. All right, so let me show you what I do. Okay, feels all right. Just trying to get it closer up, so feels a little bit more straight. And then I'll just, like, when I'm finished, I'll clip my ends. My ends feel a little dry. Yeah, so. And because I can't, like, use the comb and the thing at the same time, so I'll just comb it after. And if you see, my ends are pretty bad. So that's why I want to cut it. But and that's it. Oh, that's pretty straight. It feels so thin. My hair is pretty thin, you know. Yeah, and then I don't normally, when I straighten it like that, for some reason it doesn't seem like it's grown, like it moved after 1 year of not straightening it. Let's see. It doesn't look like it's grown a lot. Maybe when I'm finished I'll see the length, but yeah, so that's how I straighten it. And then I'm gonna clip my ends. Where's the camera? Clip my ends. I'll straighten it all, show you, and then come back and we'll look at it. Maybe go somewhere one of these days. All right, so I'll straighten it and I'll finish. When I'm finished, I'll come back and I'll show it to you how it looks when it's all straightened. Maybe it did get longer. I don't know. All right, couple minutes. Here we are, straightened ish. So it's a little tangled still for some reason. It hurts. Oh, I can't show you this part on camera. It hurts. Okay, so I straightened it. Okay, it grew. It grew. I was gonna say it didn't, but after I straightened it, yeah, I see it. It grew. It grew a good amount too since last year. Well, I mean, I retained a lot of my length since last year. Like, I don't even have to like look on my picture for last year to know that I retained a lot of my length. Normally, I normally have to like do it and then do a side-by-side comparison. But I can see it. It's pretty long. That's good. That's good. I like it. I like my hair. I love my hair. I actually love my hair. I know I don't wear it a lot, but I love it. I love my hair.